Welcome to Austria, a country where fairy tale landscapes meet rich history and world-class culture. Did you know that Austria is home to the world's most livable city, or that it gave us the music of Mozart and the action-packed films of Arnold Schwarzenegger? Stay with me as we uncover the secrets of this mesmerizing European gem. Austria is a paradise for nature lovers. Imagine waking up to the sight of the majestic Austrian Alps, where skiers and hikers from around the world come to experience adventure. But that's not all. Ever heard of Hallstatt? This tiny lakeside village looks like it's straight out of a dream, so much so that China built an exact replica of it. And let's not forget Zeelam Sea, where crystal clear waters reflect the beauty of snow-capped mountains, truly breathtaking. If Austria had a crown, Vienna would be its brightest jewel. This city is famous for its royal palaces, historic streets, and legendary coffee houses. Did you know Vienna has been voted one of the most livable cities in the world multiple times? And here's something fascinating. Vienna was home to the world's greatest musicians, including Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss. Their music still echoes through the grand opera houses of the city. Oh, and if you love desserts, don't leave Vienna without trying Sachertorte, a rich, chocolatey cake that has been an Austrian tradition since the 1800s. Ever watched The Sound of Music? The iconic film was shot in Salzburg, another Austrian masterpiece known for its Baroque architecture and stunning alpine views. But Austria is more than just famous sights. There are hidden gems too. Eisriesenwelt, the world's largest ice cave, deep inside the Austrian Alps. Krimml Waterfalls, Europe's tallest waterfall, roaring through the forests like nature's own symphony. Graz, a city with a perfect blend of medieval charm and futuristic designs. Before we wrap up, here are some crazy facts about Austria. Red Bull was invented in Austria. That's right, the world's most famous energy drink comes from this small but mighty country. The Austrian flag is one of the oldest national flags in the world, dating back to the 12th century. Austria is also home to one of the oldest zoos in the world, the Tiergarten Schönbrunn, established in 1752. From epic mountains to musical legends, fairy tale villages to adrenaline-pumping adventures, Austria is truly a country that has it all. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing travel stories. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite thing about Austria?